you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received Summer's FabFitFun box. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So FabFitFun just arrived. This is the summer box. I'm so excited to dive in and see what's in here, even though I wasn't too thrilled with all of the possibilities to choose from. I'm still excited to see that it's here. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and dive in. We're gonna see what's in here. It does say my add-ons are inside the box. This time I did not get a mystery bundle. I know, I normally do. I only got a few like pimple patches or whatever, so those should be in here. But here we go. We're gonna go ahead and get inside. This definitely is a different style box. It's definitely summer, that's for sure, but it is their new vamped like boxes that they're using to be more eco-friendly. So if you're not too familiar with the way that I like to do my FabFitFun unboxings, I like to tell you every single possibility, because if you are interested, you might want to know what the different possibilities are that you could choose from for your own box. Let's go ahead and dive in. Let me cut the tape to this box. I think I got it. Pull it out here and then pop it up. Alrighty. So there is some information on the top. Here's our stickers again. This is the second time we had a little sticker sheet. That is so cute. And they're all like summer themed with ice cream, sunglasses. How cute. So we do have a little sticker sheet. And then here is the big old magazine. And in here we'll go over all of the different items plus more information. And then down in here is going to be all my products. Here's my add-ons. Yeah, I got 3 boxes of the Mighty Patches. Couldn't pass up that deal. So yeah, that's a little sneak peek to inside of my box. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what is all inside. Let me go ahead and go to the page in the book. It says in here that all members get to pick from number 1 through 4 to customize, and then the annual members get to choose a few. Okay, so let's go ahead and go with the first option. Again, 1 through 4, everybody gets to choose from. So number 1 would have been from Summer Fridays CC Me Serum, PMD Clean in Teal, Summer Salt Beach Tote in pink and red or blue and green. There was a Virginia Wolf multi-wear wrap, an outdoor blanket, a wine chiller, and a tie-dye towel. I chose, which I honestly didn't need because I have a pink one, but since I didn't really want any of those other options, I chose this one so I can just replace the pink one that I have in my shower with the green one, even though I don't even really use it very much. I like my Ferrero a lot better, but I wanted the green to match. So that's the reason why I chose this guy right here. So the one that I chose was the PMD Clean, and this is the silicone brush that I keep in the shower. Again, I have a pink one in there currently, but I thought out of all of those, I didn't need a wrap. I didn't need another towel. I really didn't need any of those. I really didn't need this either, but I had to choose something. So I chose this item right there. So for number 2 would be there's a Ruffle Nightie. There is a detox shampoo plus a scalp massager. There's a jewelry case. There is the resistant bands, like a workout type thing. There's the Ray Dunn guac and salsa bowls. There's a Bluetooth speaker. There's a Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, or a Business and Pleasure cooler bag. And I think we already had the cooler bag in this, or it was in another seasonal box, but I've seen that thing before. I think I even got it. It's like a mustardy color. And the one that I chose, which I'm really, really excited about because I love making homemade guac and salsa and having chips. So I got the Ray Dunn set. And in here, you guys, it's not even telling me the value. Normally it is in the magazine, but this particular box, they did not put the totals in the magazine. So unfortunately, I cannot tell you the values of each item because they don't put them in here. So I'll show you on the side or on the side. I always go this way when I really put them in this way, but I'll go ahead and put them in for you guys. So here's the Ray Dunn set, and I'm actually really excited about these items. This was a no-brainer to me, plus it's really, really cute. So it does come with 2 little spoons. And let me remove the top. Okay, so here is the salsa bowl, and then down inside is for the guac. And again, I love making homemade guac and salsa, especially I'm gonna be growing a lot of these type of items from my garden. I do have an avocado tree. I have a few avocado trees. Those are not producing fruit just yet. I can't wait until they are. But I cannot wait to start grabbing things from my garden and making a fresh guac and salsa. I cannot freaking wait. But you have the 2 different bowls, Ray Dunn style with the font. And then you do have 2 little wooden spoons that you can put in the bowls as well. I think that is super, super cute. And again, I'm so excited about that product. I'm probably more excited about that product than anything else in the box, to be completely honest. So let's go with number 3. Number 3 would have been from a wine tumbler with a silicone straw that's a 12 ounce. There would have been a unseen sunscreen SPF 40 USA only for that one. Living Proof Perfect Hair Day dry shampoo for USA and Canadian. There's an AG Hair Coil Curl Activator. Poolside Water Pouch. Build Your Own Bracelet Kit. Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. Or Nectar Blue Light Blocking Glasses in Round Eye Brown. And I don't remember what I chose from that selection, so I must have unseen sunscreen. Did I really choose the sunscreen for that? I didn't need anything for curl activating because I don't have curly hair. I don't use dry shampoo. I already have blue light glasses. I don't need another bag. So I guess I chose the sunscreen. I guess out of all of them, that's what I would use since I am in the sun doing like my gardening or going with my man golfing, that kind of thing. So I guess that's why I chose the sunscreen. I don't know. It's the Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40 is the one that I guess I chose. It's been a while. I can't even remember by the time I get the damn box. But that is what it looks like right there. So it is a nice little size. You can drop it into anything to have with you to keep your skin protected from the sun. So I definitely do appreciate that. It does say 100% invisible, 100% game changing. So go ahead, let's change my game. All right, you guys, so let's go with number 4. That's the last one that everybody gets to choose from. And that would have been from a vitamin C facial serum. A Watermelon Burst Setting Spray by Ciate London, Shimmering Gold Oil by African Botanics, a TF Publishing Brain Teaser, plus Activity Book Bundle, Games, Puzzles, and more. And that's it. So out of those, I already know I would have chose the watermelon, and I did the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. So here is the packaging. Anything watermelon, you know, I'm gonna pick. So plus I don't need another serum. I have so many, and I really don't need a little book thing that I'm not gonna use. So I went with the watermelon setting spray. Super, super cute. Let's see what this is all about. Where's the hole? There it is. I had to find the hole. That smells just like watermelon, you guys. Whew, I'm so glad that I chose this. And again, I'm sorry I can't tell you the pricing, but you'll see them as I'm going because they took it out of the book. That is some good information that we would like to know, you know? So that was number 4. So let's go ahead and go with number 5. Number 5 would have been from a Minted Cosmetics Liquid Lip in Blood Orange, Peach Keen, or Blacker the Berry in US and Canada only. Mind Tan Body Skin Recovery After Sun Gel, a Selfie Ring Light, Dr. Brandt Pores No More Purifying Cleanser, Flight Mode High Altitude Hydration Mode, to the market a printed tray, or a set of 4 with cutting boards. And I chose the only thing that, again, when I said in the beginning it was hard for me to choose, it was really, really hard for me to choose. The only thing that I really, really wanted was the guac and salsa bowls. Everything else was just like, I guess I have to choose something. So I chose the Soar, the phone little light selfie light. I've gotten these before in boxes, but I guess I'll use this because if I'm ever doing something away from my ring light setup, at least I can have a little bit of light to help me out for you guys, I'm hoping. So that's the only reason why I chose this. So if I'm doing other things away from my setup, I'm hoping it'll help. So I chose this guy. So let me show you the size. It's just a small little thing to add to your phone. It's like a little clip. So you just clip it to the top of your phone, and then it does have the batteries. Let me put them in really quick. Okay, so the batteries are in and I'm gonna show you it. So if you're light sensitive, please look away for a few seconds. So here is the first setting when you first turn it on. I don't know if it's gonna go any brighter, but that is it on currently. Oh, it does go a little bit brighter and a little bit brighter maybe, and then to off. So there's 3 different settings. 1, 2, 3. You can see the sheen get a little bit brighter each time. 1, 2, 3. So, I mean, when it's on you, you see that? I mean, you are getting extra light to you. So if you're taking selfies, that kind of thing, I think this would work. Plus, it just clips right to the top. So how much simpler can it get? So I chose that guy. So there's that for the 5th item. So now let's go with the 6th item. So the very first one was an Eco Double Act Shadow Stick with a Art and Cook Citrus Squeezer and a reusable makeup swab. Or you could have got the Fruit Butter Lip Mask, the Citrus Squeezer, or a pineapple tray, the Eco Double Act Shadow Stick, Barefoot Science Pedicure File, or the reusable makeup swabs. You could have got a Spongel Body Wash Infused Buffer with a Barefoot Scientist Pedicure File and the Blush Pineapple Tray. Or you could have got the Fruit Butter Lip Mask with the Pedicure File and the Pineapple Tray. Or you could have got the Kate Spade New York Workout Socks plus the eye gels. Or you could have got the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Whipped Cleansing Cream with the Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. Or you could have got the Super Eye Serum, the Glow Facial Mask US and UK only, Lashes MD Lash Conditioner, or Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. So for number 6, there's 3 different items in it. Some of them look like they were just single, but they could have been a higher value. So I chose the one that has the Fruit Butter Lip Mask. We all can keep our lips nice and silky smooth. This guy right here, let me go ahead and open it so we can see on the inside. This is what the packaging looks like right there. And for this guy, it just says that this is an intense overnight lip mask that envelops the lips with shea butter and apricot kernel oil to help deliver intense hydration, softness, and elasticity while you sleep. The vegan formula gently melts into skin, reducing it from early signs of fine lines and giving you a rich, dewy finish. So I like that. I always have things like this on my nightstand, and right before I go to bed, I always put something on my lips, always, even if it's just a normal lip balm, I always put something on my lips. So these little lip butter, little things like the overnight lip masks, I always keep there because that's where I put it on. So there's that. Then I thought this was super cute, especially for summer, to make little ice trays out of pineapples. Who else would want an ice that's shaped like a pineapple? I know I would. So let me open this. Okay, so out of the package, it's the silicone mold right here. So you just put in whatever type of liquid you want to freeze in here and then stick it in the freezer. And then you have some cute little pineapple shaped whatever you want to freeze. It doesn't have to be water. You can always do some type of a drink or a liquid or anything like that. But I do think that is actually cute just to have on hand. So here is a pineapple little ice tray. And then the last thing is down in here. This one is the citrus squeezer. And I do have a lot of citrus trees growing, so I really wanted this because I don't have anything like this. So here is the actual tag. And then I guess you just stick your citrus down in there and squeeze everything out to get the liquid, which I think that's really cool. And again, I don't have anything like this, so I thought this was really cool to get. So the set that I chose again was the squeezer, the squeezer. My mind just went somewhere else. The lip balm and the ice tray for number 6. So that is everything that came in the box that I received. My total for everything that I received in my retail value would be right here. This would be the total retail value for everything in the box that I chose. A quick recap again would have been the squeezer. We have the lip mask. We have the ice tray. We have the cutest guac and salsa bowls that this is like the thing that I'm really excited about right there. We have a thing for my phone to where if I'm taking selfies or whatever to give a little bit better lighting. This watermelon setting spray. We have a sunscreen, and then you have this little little apparatus right here. So that is everything that I chose for my box, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. What did you think of the items this month? What did you think of the summer box in general? Do you think all of the different products that they have to offer was a good summer box? Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. I mean, I'm okay with what I guess I got, but again, it was really hard for me to choose something for most of the categories. It was just me settling for most of them, to be honest, but you know. So that is everything. If you do want a little bit more information about FabFitFun, I do have a link down below, which will get you $10 off of your first seasonal box. The seasonal box is $49.95 per seasonal box with free shipping. You always get $200 or more in retail value with what is in here. So I just love getting FabFitFun, even if you're like, for the most part, with everything all together, you can always use them for gift ideas. You can pass them down to others if it's not something that you really want, that kind of thing. And plus you already know in advance what you're getting for the most part. If you do annual, it ends up being about $45 per box. So you do save a little bit of money if you do the whole entire year, but they bill you for the whole year at one shot. And my renewal is like in December, so it's always the wrong time for me, but you know, I bring this box to show you guys, so here we go. So that is everything that I have to show for this summer FabFitFun seasonal box. Again, comment down below, let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.